In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you're trying to clean up your books and remove an account you no longer use, QuickBooks Online makes that process simple. In QuickBooks, you typically don't permanently erase an account from the chart of accounts. Instead, you mark it as inactive. This helps keep your records organized while also preserving past transactions connected to that account. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the gear icon there, which is where many of your account settings and lists are stored. Go ahead and click that gear icon. From the menu that appears, find and select Chart of Accounts. This will open the full list of accounts currently available in your QuickBooks Company file. Here you'll be able to review your accounts and locate the specific one you want to remove from active use. Once you find the account you want to delete, move across that row and click the small caret icon associated with that account. This opens a drop-down menu with additional actions you can take. From that list, choose Make Inactive. At this point, QuickBooks will usually ask you to confirm your choice. This is an important step because making an account inactive removes it from your active chart of accounts list and can affect how you view or work with that account going forward. If you're sure this is the account you no longer need, go ahead and confirm. And there you go. The account is now inactive. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that making an account inactive is often better than deleting data outright, because it allows QuickBooks to retain the account history for reporting and auditing purposes. So if that account was used in the past, its historical information can still remain tied to your books, even though it's no longer active in your working list. That's all there is to it. As you can see, removing an account from the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online only takes a few clicks. If you're organizing your bookkeeping setup, this is a quick and effective way to reduce clutter and keep your account list easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.